In what can be seen as a stern warning, the Union Defence Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, has criticised those political parties that have praised historical figures like Babur, Timur, Aurangzeb and Ghaznavi, who are often associated with invasions and conquests in India. Mr. Singh questioned the rationale behind glorifying these figures and suggested it could be seen as insulting the Muslim community itself. And he said this while unveiling a statue of Maharana Pratap in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar in Maharashtra. He said that such praise is expected from Pakistan, but it's quite questionable when it comes from within India. He said, and I quote, "If Babur, Taimur, Aurangzeb and Ghaznavi are praised in Pakistan, then it is understandable because both their policy and politics are anti-India. Whatever missiles they have made," and this is a reference to Pakistan, "they have named them after their invaders like Babur and Ghaznavi. We understand Pakistan's anti-India stance, but what is the compulsion of these people? Do they think that by supporting Babur, Taimur and Aurangzeb, Ghaznavi, they'll get the support of the Muslim community? By doing this, they're insulting Muslims in India." That's his claim. Let's listen in to what Mr. Rajnath Singh said.
हमें कैसा इतिहास पढ़ाया गया? हमारे इतिहास की किताबों में औरंगजेब जैसे क्रूर और निर्दयी शासक को भी महिमा मंडित किया गया, उसे ग्लोरीफाई किया गया। इसी गलत इतिहास की वजह से कुछ लोग औरंगजेब को हीरो बनाने की आज कोशिश करते हैं। बिना सच्चाई जाने औरंगजेब के प्रति सहानुभूति पैदा करने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है। जो लोग औरंगजेब को नायक बनाने में लगे पड़े हैं, उनको कम से कम देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू की किताब वह पढ़ लेनी चाहिए थी, तो उनको सच्चाई का, हकीकत का पता चल जाता। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने, मेरे बहने भाइयों, अंग्रेज औरंगजेब को एक कट्टर अधर्मांध शासक कहा है। उन्होंने लिखा है, उसने हिंदुओं पर जाजिया कर लगाया, राजपूत, सिख, मराठा, राष्ट्रकूट आदि सभी के दमन का प्रयास औरंगजेब ने किया। उसने हमारे कई हिंदू मंदिरों को नष्ट किया था। लोगों को डरा धमकाकर उनका धर्म परिवर्तन कराने की उन्होंने कोशिश की। ऐसे शासक हमारे हीरो नहीं बन सकते। बहनों भाइयों, इस हकीकत को भी हमको समझना चाहिए।
Well, let me go across to my colleague Arunil for more on this. Arunil, two important comments made by Rajnath Singh. One, of course, he condemned all those who sought to glorify Aurangzeb here in India. But he also said in the same breath that those who are trying to glorify Aurangzeb are actually insulting the Muslim community here as well.
Well, a scathing attack being launched by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh over here on the Congress party as well, basically saying that those who ruled till now, they have basically given us a wrong history, given us lessons in wrong history. It is kind of a glorification of somebody like Aurangzeb or Babur or Taimur as well. There is no doubt that they committed atrocities against the Hindus that were living at that time. But at the same time, Rajnath Singh has also mentioned about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, saying that in his book, he had clearly mentioned about Aurangzeb, saying that he was a cruel shasak. He committed atrocities. He basically imposed the stringent zizya tax on Hindus as well. This is also an attack on leaders like Asauddin Owaisi, as well as several of his party workers from the AIMIM, because we have seen how Owaisi or his party members have recently been glorifying Aurangzeb. In fact, Owaisi had gone to the tomb of Aurangzeb in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar in Kuldabad and also basically prayed over there. Here, Rajnath Singh basically is saying that those who glorify Aurangzeb, they are insulting Muslims as well. Only in a country like Pakistan, somebody like Aurangzeb, Babur or Taimur can be glorified, and they have been doing that in Pakistan, but not here in India. We will accept that.